Okay, so today, we are going to be doing a roleplay about Toke Aboka. So yeah, let's get to it. So let's do it. Load. Okay, so it's loading. Loading.
As you can see.
Okay, let's go. Oh yeah, this is the thing I was trying to get. I love Slumlord. So yeah, let's go. So, we're not gonna worry about that. Plus, watching Unspeakable in the background. So if you hear the noise, just please don't mind it. I should just watching Unspeakable. So yeah, let's get to it. If you're fine with the second thing, you'll see right away. Okay, so yeah, my sister's playing a game, and she has this ginormous carrot. I wish y'all can see it, but like this kite carrot is ginormous. It's bigger than her.
How
Okay,
much
so-
is this?
Say hi. That's my sister. Me. Onto the replay. I am so excited.
How much is this worth?
I can't believe to get my like my own cat and never letting my siblings touch that. So yeah. So I guess I'll just
This big
no,
cat.
I have to wake up the twins. Twins, wake up and put up your toys.
I'm still waiting for these stupid tomatoes to grow. Grow, tomatoes, grow! Anyways.
What? We're tired.
But I don't know if I can drop it. Can I drop it?
Okay.
I want to drop it
But
so
just
bad,
pick up your
man.
toys. Don't get mad at me.
Man, how could I screenshot
I'll wait for
this?
y'all in the elevator. I don't like Sissy. Me neither. Plus, she makes us always pick up our toys. That's not fair. Picking up our toys is not fair. Plus, get your stupid teddy up. Get your stupid teddy up. Okay.
Let's go sell.
Hits.
I have to sell this poor carrot. Sell it.
Don't, Sissy.
My face is so shocked. I can't even comprehend what I'm doing.
Oh my.
I have 4K.
What has happened? I told you I'd pick up your toys. Plus, what did your sister do? She did what?
Hits her back.
Yeah, I know, I heard you the first time. Get in the elevator. Wait, actually, get changed and then get in the elevator. Okay. Really? No shoes? Sorry, I'll get shoes.
Are you on the recording app?
Yes. There. Sorry about that. Here. This won't work. Sorry about that. Right, I'll get your clothes. Here. Get changed in the bathroom. Plus, stop crying, baby. Yay. Plus, get your hat. Okay. So y'all will shush. I'm gonna get y'all your binkies, okay? I'm gonna get y'all your binkies so you can shush. Plus, don't wake up Dad. Okay. Bruh, like this always happens. Like, can I not have peace for once? Ugh. I cannot have peace for like once. But like, like this has been happening to me ever since like Monday. What the heck, Tokaboka? Fix this bug. Not an actual bug, but like the game bug, if y'all know what I mean. Yeah, so just game bug. Be quiet, Biggie. Biggie back. Big back. Okay. I do not like the bubble spa that much, so that way. Sorry if y'all, if that's offensive to y'all because like I don't like the bubble spa. So yeah. So let's go. What's we going?
James grabbed a blender, ice cream, protein shake, whipped cream, blankets, phone charger, and toilet paper. Oh, dude, he's gonna win. How are we supposed to beat that? Well, might as well play it for balls. You know what this is? It's a chair. Ready?
If they don't get up,
Dude, I just made a beanbag.
I told you I'd get up. We're sorry. Get up now. Team. Thanks for hitting me. You're welcome. If y'all keep fighting, I swear. Stop fighting, y'all. Like, actually, you're coming with me. I'm about to ground you for a whole week. Bring me your clothes and get you and your sister's hat. Oh, dang. I did not like hissy. Push. Hissy get a binky. Doors. What's that? Doors. Get throwing me back to normal. Oh. I'm gonna go. I do not want to get into trouble again. I did not pick up my toys. We don't mind me picking up my cup. We don't mind me picking up my toys. That's a big thing. But do I have to pick up my toys? Like, but I guess I have to pick up my toys. The game Space Cat's not bad. Teddy, Twain, this, and Mr. Dinosaur, Shark Dinosaur, whatever he is. But I know I'm not putting my toys, but like, did I went back to sleep? What the heck? Well, go downstairs. I'll make breakfast later. Okay. Don't go downstairs. Just play a little. Okay. Bro, like, you're so grounded. And your brother are so grounded. Plus, you and your brother are so grounded. Pretend you're holding this. Because, like, I do not have two, I do not have, like, 4 hands. I do not have 2 Apple hands. So, yeah. Oh, we don't mind that. Yeah, we don't mind that at all. Are we going to get the cat? My cat. Shut up! So sorry. You better be sorry because I'm trying to go on a Zoom call. Sorry, Mom. Better be sorry. You're gonna shout around if I come down.
It is your lucky day. Bring home Paddington's newest adventure. How lovely. Full of fun. Laughs. And adventure.
You'll watch TV while I make your breakfast. Okay. Did we last? Yeah, another perfect movie to watch. No, you just skipped it, you dummy. I'm not a dummy. You should come here, dummy. Shut up. Gosh. Do you want avocado toast or waffles? I take avocado toast. I want waffles. Wait, no. Yeah, avocado toast. Looks like I'm having avocado toast. This. About this. I forgot there's only like brimstone circle. That there's like still like okay. Looks like I'm making the toast. Would you like some peaches with that? Sure. I'm not catching the oven on fire again. Look at it. Peaches. Okay. Peaches. But like everything I do, just pretend it's not your gun. Shut up, I heard you more. I'll use my power. If you want to be a name, it would be Kaka Man. Money, can you use that charger? Don't not talk to myself. My name is Amani. Okay. So what do I need to get on that knife? I need.
Got a nice pork chop. Got some nice salmon.
Use my power. Shut up, I hold the knife. Don't question what I'm singing. If you don't know what I'm singing, yeah, this is the book. Get out of the bed. Get out of the couch. Wait, second 3. Yeah, because Mom's stuck. Okay, looks like I'll be cutting up these peaches first. Let's just put these peaches inside. Okay, let's turn off the oven. Turn off the oven. The oven's done. Let's get these. I'm pretty sure I do you want your peaches uncooked? Yes. Looks like I'm making my peaches cooked. Bro, get back on the stove. Yeah, this one. No, I don't want to watch Space Noodles. But still, did you watch last membership? So it's Space Noodles song. Dang it. I'm not going to membership. Okay. That works like a charm. No, why does that work like a charm? That always work like a charm. They're so dumb. Wait, hold that. Yeah. God, it is true. Okay. Oh. Just have to cut the peaches, yes. Open like these peaches sideways. Okay, and now this needs washing. So like. Okay. It does not. I guess I can have some water. Don't question what kind of template. Because it should they have some juice? Fine. I'm only giving them a little bit of it. I'm only giving them a little bit of energy. A little bit of the energy drink. Because I don't want them to get too hyped.
What in the world is this crap?
Okay. So yeah. So I'm gonna get my energy drink. I'm gonna get my energy drink because like obviously I think I'm gonna get like I'm gonna get both of them.
Oh, how was shirt?
Okay.
That's cool. How was Subway?
Okay. So yeah, barbecue pork sandwiches. Okay.
Arby's instead?
Barbecue pork sandwiches.
Oh, was it good?
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Where did I put the knife in there? So I need to chop up the bread so that way.
Maybe they needed something healthy after eating whatever that is.
Sure.
I just like dipping people. Mr. Miller, do you want to take a bite? Now, I'm really curious. One villager eats for Thanksgiving. Bro, that's gonna be a fat meal. Bro, you have turkeys in mind now? This is Thanksgiving. We got carrots. We got some bread. We got a baked potato, which looks absolutely phenomenal. Some for the soup. Pumpkin. Yeah, thank you. This might be the best meal yet. You want to break the bread with me?
This is so fun. Yeah. Should we watch it sometime? Should we watch it again? Maybe let's Sissy pick this time. No, she's dumb. I'm not dumb. I'm not dumb. Am I? I think I'm dumb. Just kidding. Like, they're ding dongs. Like, ding dongs. And dimmer. But, like, they are dumber than ding dongs. Like, ding dongs are dumber than them. Avocado egg toast, you mean? What do you think? Avocado toast, avocado egg toast? Obviously, having an energy drink. No, you're having water. You're having some green tea. Ooh, I love green tea. I love green tea. Agree. I agree. Come eat. Hey, it's the let's go. That's it. We can leave it to the end. Hey, wait for me. Hey, wait for me. Oh, my bad. Hey, wait for me. Uh-oh, yeah, looks like she's mad at someone. Here. Thank you. Best don't make a mess. No, you won't. You left me. You left me. Oh, whoa. You need to get... Whoa. No need to get mad. Here, let me see y'all's binkies. Here, let me see y'all's binkies. Okay. Yeah, bro, get the face normal. When we're all done, we're gonna go get the cat and then we're gonna play outside. Okay.
There we go.
That was good.
Beautiful. Where's the candles?
Oh.
Yo, you didn't even cut the cake. Can you cut it for us, too, please? Dude, I can't believe you couldn't even remember getting candles on it.
Okay, just play Toga and pizza. So I had to do this like 5,088 times, but yeah. Wait, this is part 2. Part 2 of the pet. Part 2 of the pet cat. Sorry, I didn't do part 1. So yeah.
Y'all stay a little school, right?
Yeah, let's get to it. That was you. Here.
I'm on these toe can hold a read. I'm on these toe can hold a read. She has a set of fingers.
Dude, that was good. That was it. Just my mouth. So, yar. Part 2 of the pet cat. Oh, the cards on my eyes. Unload your ding dong. Good. Pink. I'm gonna get some pink and dye all. Okay, so we're just not gonna eat. Okay. Y'all ready? Yes. Okay, let's go. Let's go get the pet cat. So excited. Yes, I'm so excited. Let's go. Did we go to the, should we go to the parlor shop or the market? Parlor shop. Parlor shop. Yeah, the parlor shop. Parlor shop. Who can call it remember? Okay, I can't wait for the next person to. I can't wait for the next person to come with him. I love the next person to come.
We're actually working this outside too.
Let's get a card.
In real life. You got you.
It's hello, I just look once. Yeah, everybody wants a stamp. Bye. I don't care, just go. You go. Okay. Can they at least come? Fine, just get them in there. Thank you. Thank you.
What? You got no potatoes?
We're only here for one thing. No other things. Fine. Maybe only one. Maybe 3 things. Maybe only 4 things. 4 things, okay? Ugh, where is the cats? Where are the cute cats? Where's all the cute cats? They should be in there because they're fed really good. Well, I'm not seeing the cats. He heard. It was almost off for a second. Let's go. Only 4 things, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 4 things, okay? 1, 2, 4. Do you want this cat? No. No, that's not cute. Why did I die? I want mittens. Mittens, okay. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. I want this key. I like it. I want this postcard. I'll take this card. I'll take it. Okay. Okay. So I'll gift those and give it and hold it. Can someone hold my gifts? Yeah, I will. Thank you. Which one's your gift? No. Okay, let's go home. like a billion, yeah. Just like a billion, yeah. Shut up, okay. Okay. But like, because like, oh, it's annoying. So do you want to open the gifts right here? What? You want to open your gift, and then I think these are my gifts. Yeah, because I got this. So this, look what I got now. I got, oh, and I forgot, I got mittens. Look, I love, bro, mittens. No, she doesn't have us. Come on, let's go upstairs. Okay. Yes.
My Mountain Dew in there. Can you give it?
Can I have some?
Yeah, why don't you get the cups that are right there? Grab a silver, that big silver cup, and then grab your little cup. Are you sure you're okay with it being diet?
I don't mind.
Alright.
To be honest, everything that's diet tastes the same,
Yeah, just about.
but it has less sugar.
It's like a nice sparkly room. Your punching bag over there, but it's a polar bear and your crossbow fixed. And then check out your beanbag chair. Oh, you sick, bro? Nice. I don't know, you got a beanbag chair in your room, Nathan? I got more than that. This is the Minecraft cave room. Hey, why is that so sharp? Wanna take a look, dude? Oh, snap. It's really dark in here. Heck yeah, dude. Cold vibes. Dang, it's hot up there. I might have to chill it down a little bit. Let me give you a tour of
Okay, I'll
the
put mine
rooms that
down.
you've never seen before, too.
I'll put it with a horsey though. Good horsey. What's on my post? Hey, horsey. What's on my postcards?
This is one of my good friends. His name is Jack. And as you can see, he's trying to craft something. This is my couch. And we got snacks, dude. We got snacks. What's a little bouncy? Bro, what the heck are you doing? I forgot to show off the snow part. I also have snow. Oh, dude, look at this on the wall. So we have some
I won't say he's not annoying. I won't say he's not annoying, but I do not hate him. I doubt it. Just give me your PJs, not put PJs.
Wait, stop. We gotta get you prepared for the jungle. Welcome to the jungle. We got fun and games. So yeah, we got a nice jungle tree. This is the scenic piece. This is the best part of the jungle right here.
I just get my PJs and go to sleep. PJs. I love PJs. I love my PJs. Night, sissy. Night, bro. Night, bro. Cave mittens. Cave. I'll just put. Oh, this goat ordered me the most. No, just kidding. This goat didn't guys. I can't sleep. I'm sorry. Oh, I want mine to sleep. Can we go pay Icy's? That's up to him, not me. No. Bro. Like, really? Again. Bro. I'm sorry, y'all have to be me crying. Okay, let's go back. So, this part is so short, but like, so I'm gonna end it on part 3. So like when it's at the end, I'm gonna end it. So when it gets close to part 4, I'm gonna end it. So, just a reminder. Not a reminder, but a reminder.
It just told you.
Say what you want is like. Say what you want is like. 9:27 p.m. Say what you want is like. Slay what you want is like. Okay, y'all get in your PJs. Say what you want is like. Oh, that's your PJs. Say what you want is like. This girl already dozing off. Ay, ay, ay. He'll not make us spend time with us because he's always busy. But can I just say good night, bro? Night, man. Love you. I'll be at school tomorrow. In a few days. I'm just gonna go open the door. So, yeah. With the mom.
This is actually a highly convenient thing because then you don't have to open the door. I'm gonna need y'all to leave a comment section below if you would stay in this hotel. You ready to see the inside?
Okay. I have to give these to like 1, 2, 3, 6 of my coworkers. And I need like a bag, box, whatever. It'd be nice if someone gave me a box. It'd be handy if I even had a box over my closet. I guess I'll just look. God dang it, it's too far. Got it. Good. 6 of my coworkers I have to give it to. Okay, so now that's done, just put that on the bottom. I can't forget. But I'm gonna give this to one of my kids because nope. My coworkers are talking about me. I swear, they are dead. Maybe I can make this recipe for my kids. Yep. I'm definitely gonna save that. So, what am I gonna put up? I guess I could put it down here. Okay. Bing, ding, 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 ding. Bing, 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 bing. Bing, 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 bing. Zoom call from Emma. Click F to answer. Ugh. Hey, Emma. Hey, Emma. How are you doing? Oh, I'm doing great as usual. Guess what? Look, my boyfriend, look, he hugged another girl, which was his mom. Isn't it normal for him to hug his mom? Click you're not a real wife with 3 kids. That is so rude. I am a professional with 3 kids. I hate you. Like, I'm blocking you. If you want to block Emma, click C. Click C. Hate Emma. Because, like, this Emma. Yeah, let's get on that call with Jeff. He says, wear the uniforms that you wear. I'll give you. Good. Get my glasses. And then you said the no for not having glasses on. Hey, Jeff. Hey, so, what are you doing now? Oh, I'm just gonna go with my kid. You can't. Ooh. 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 Ooh, I'm sorry, you won't be able to do that. Why? Ooh, because you have to go on a Zoom call for someone to work at Sea Life. Bruh. I'm not feeling good, Jeff. Oh, boo-hoo. If you want to get fired, then just do that. Worth what? That is worth my job. Yes, and I have patience. Just say yes or no. Yes. Thank you. Bye. But that's not. Ugh. First I blocked Emma. Now Jeff's making me do an interview when I hang out with my kids. Look, it's not fair. It's not fair at all. Let's get in the usual uniforms. Her name is Jane. Oh, Jane couldn't be that bad. Oh, hello. What is your name? Why do you need to know? Why do you need to know my name? Because so I can get your email address, info to work. So you can work and apply for this job. Does it look like I have time? Then why'd you sign up for this? Because I wanted to waste your time. That's why I have a life. That is so not cool. I don't care. Well, if you want, you can give me an email, address, phone number. Not address, but email, phone number. That'd be great so I can work. So that way you can work. What was that? Nothing that is your business. I sound like someone farted. Shut up. Ugh. I just have to go get my kids. Bye. Get my PJs again. And get my glasses. I have to get my glasses. Just look normal.
That's a creeper. Oh no, it's nothing. Do it, trick! Oh, no hands. It's nice. Yeah, that's nice. Oh, yeah, that's nice.
Okay, babe, wake up. Ugh, what? Yeah, I have to go to work. Ugh. Do you have those papers? I need to get to my coworkers. Oh, yep, already done. Good. Here, go get them. Go get 3 of them. The rest of you are for my coworkers. Let me just go to you to make sure you don't just shut off. I did this. I do this too. They start arguing. They start arguing. Like, you guys do this. Like, I can't handle it anymore. Like, you always do this. I can't handle it anymore. I can't handle you anymore. Oh, you just get me. We are getting divorced later. Ugh.
And I want you to completely renovate and change everything about your business because it sucks. This is the worst experience I've ever had in my life.
Here.
There you go. 20 grand. Have fun. I want you to do it right now.
That's good. There, they're all crumbled up for you. I don't. You're bad. You're worse than my coworker. Just get your in the elevator. Mom, Dad, stop fighting! Mom, Dad, stop fighting! Yeah, Mom. Yeah, Mom, stop fighting. Looks like our kids really do care. Looks like we can't get a divorce. Let's just go. Okay, part 3 of the new pet. Part 3 of the new cat pet.
Now, there's only one rule
This is the last. I quit. Come on. Where are we going? Just get ready. Where are we going? Just answer me. We're going to the parlor shop. What? Just don't. Okay. Are you really calling that? That's it. My only outfit. Could bring mittens. No cat. No reptiles. But we're reptiles. That doesn't count. Bunch of papers. Fun. So like these are flexible papers. Oh yeah. Let's get into real cool, guys. Looks like more hands on.
Where's your sister?
Bathroom.
Hey, y'all just take turns in there, huh?
I have to poop.
Oh, man, you're a poop.
So y'all. Kids, come down here. Ugh. Fun. We're in our PJs. Yes. Okay. Pretend we're already in the elevator. What do you want? Can I take her to work? No, I'm taking them to the parlor shop to get the stuff.
What's up?
Nothing much.
Y'all not gonna be tired tomorrow at school, are y'all?
Nope.
Okay.
Money,
I'm
can
gonna
you
have
give
y'all
me
wind, I'm gonna have y'all wind down here, like around, like about 20 more minutes, so y'all just kind of chill, and read for about 30 minutes, and then y'all go to bed. Okay, is that cool? Then that'll be 10:30. Because I want y'all to make sure that y'all unwind from the game, that way y'all can, y'all can play that. About 30 more minutes. What was you about to ask me?
Nobody in there. You know where they at, bro? Okay.
Supposed to be You suck. I'm sorry, dude. It was a better hiding spot.
Jordan. Maybe we're here for our bags.
Should have been a different animal.
Come here, bud. Come here. Max, why'd you bring your plushie? So hard. Why didn't you get your beaches? Oh, that's fine. With this bag. Guess this bag. This bag.
Nature's Bounty. Your bones are 4 times as strong as concrete. Nature's Bounty supplements your bone health with high absorption magnesium. It's in your nature to stand strong. Nature's Bounty. It's in your nature.
Sure.
Bro, what? What are you doing? I just want to say, I got second place. Now, where's first place at? We ain't ever going to find James, bro. We're never going to find Glenn. He picked the highest point of the creek with a hide. Is he on the roof? Oh. He's on the roof. Good luck finding him. Alright. I don't need luck. I'm not walrus. Welcome to the party, dude. Where's it going? You what? Why is your face so red? It is.
Don't mind that. Okay, so.
Dude. Where's James at? Is he? There's no way we missed him. Dude, did he really not see you up there?
No. He saw the phone, but he didn't notice you.
No way, you're lying.
I swear.
Dude, he's not hiding
Excuse
from
me.
the light, is he?
What?
Excuse
No,
me.
I don't-
You cootie?
I don't see a fan. Oh my god, it's so hot.
Where's the park? Where's the park? Huh?
Okay, Mom, I got him. Okay, Mom, I got him. Okay, I got the bag in the car. No, not the third one. Sorry. It's okay. It's okay, it's not your fault. Sorry. It's okay. It's not your fault. But I'm actually sidelined to the next one. It's okay, Pumpkin. Everybody makes mistakes. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry, Mom. It's okay. Here. Put them on there. It's okay. It's not like I'm gonna go to sleep anyways. So tired. I'm so sorry what happened to you about Emma. It's okay. It's not your fault. It's so bad for Mom. It's so bad for Mom. Like, what is Emma do to? What did Emma do? Because she knows Mom's motor walking. That's Mom's old co-worker. Come. Hey, stop. You can get it. I got this bag. I got this bag. I got this bag. I love kids. Kitties. I think I'm gonna pet them. Me too. Okay. That's the end of today's part. That's the end of today's part. We're gonna do the next chapter tomorrow. So yeah. I'll see y'all pookies later. And with that, I am out, y'all. See y'all later, and bye.